Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a tutorial today on this hairstyle. For all y'all that know, I do have natural hair, so I'm going to show you how to wand curl your natural hair and how I got these beautiful, voluptuous curls. This is giving me like summertime beach vibes and I'm feeling it. So I had a middle part like this, which was super cute too. I think I might rock it like this a couple of times. I'm still kind of messing with it and styling it to my liking, but I love it so much. Or you could do like a side part like so. Both really cute. It's giving me Diana Ross vibes, you know, Tracy Ellis Ross vibes. But if you want to see how I achieve these curls, then keep watching. I will give you a hint. I did put heat on my hair. They are wand curls using a 1/2 inch curling wand. So this is the bed head 1/2 inch curling wand. You can get this off Amazon or you can get this from Ulta. I got it from Ulta for like $28, and you can use the $3.50 off coupon that they always have at Ulta. I looked up trying to find a curling wand that was good for natural hair, and I found this one they recommended, so I will let you know my feelings on this here at the end of the video. But if you want to see how I feel about the curling wand, how I got this look, how I styled it, then just keep watching and I will show y'all. So I finally got it open. It's cute. I love when they come with this little Velcro strap. I should have a towel or something, but I'm being ratchet today. It's cute. Look at it. It's yellow, says bedhead on it, and it just has a simple on and off switch. But you know how I was just saying, like, I need to get a towel? I don't, because it comes with this cute little stand right here, so you don't burn your bathroom countertops, y'all. Let me take my hair down so y'all can see what I'm working with. So yeah, if you want to see how I blow out my hair, my ends is a little crusty because they need to be clipped, but click the link above and you can see how I get my hair blown out and stretched like this. I'm going to be using a rat tail comb today, and I'm going to be using this heat protectant. Oops. So I'm going to use this to kind of part my hair into small sections. So I will turn around so y'all can see how much hair I put out. About this much. So make sure your hair is detangled for the most part before this. I'm going to spray a little heat protectant. I'm gonna comb that through, and then I'm gonna put this into like 2 sections, maybe, or 3. Let's see. I feel like this is gonna take a long time, and I'm scared for it. All right, y'all, here we go. So as I'm wrapping the hair around, I'm kind of like twisting my hair too. I'm gonna keep track of the time. See how many seconds I should hold this. But I wrapped them pretty close together, as y'all can see. Oh, that's pretty. It's getting a little smoky in here, but this is so cute. Yes, I'm loving this. My end I didn't get as good as I should have, but okay, that's cute. Okay, that's cute. Let's keep going. I've been asked to make a video on how I grew my natural hair so long. So that video is coming, y'all. I've been posting that for like a year now and I haven't done it. So I'm so sporadic with my YouTube videos. It's ridiculous. As y'all can see, I'm starting to curl my pieces going upwards because I'm going for like a big curly fro look. So I want my hair to start molding into that direction, going up versus like down. But you can always pick your curls out, but I'm attempting to try to curl it going outwards. So that means going this way versus like down. Like that. I want it to start going out so y'all can kind of tell that it's starting to go in that direction. I'm gonna kind of do my roots just a little bit. Be careful, don't get your scalp. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take some oil, get my fingers oily so I don't make any more frizz. So I'm gonna start in the front and kind of separate. I should probably start in the back actually. And I'm gonna separate the curls like that. Okay, so some don't need to be separated and some do. Some are bigger like that one. Some are already like not as defined, so I don't want to separate it too much. And I'm just gonna go in and kind of separate it where it naturally wants to separate. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. This is what y'all have waited for. It turned out so cute. I ended up going with a side flip over-ish part because I don't know, it just looked a lot cuter on me. I always look cuter with side parts, but I always want to rock a middle part just because I don't know why. But yes, y'all, I love the way that this turned out. I might start doing this more often. We'll see how long it lasts. You can just continue to separate pieces and have your hair look bigger. as big as you want. Just keep separating your hair. But all my curls are holding up pretty good. They don't look like super uniform. So it looks like this might could be my hair, but if you know me, then obviously you know I want curled it. But I love the way that it looks. It looks so cute. Hopefully this helps some of you ladies out. Oh, by the way, obviously because my hair turns outbound, I'm rating this 5 stars. I love it. Hopefully it lasts pretty long. But this was perfect. I love this size too, the 1/2 inch one. So I think any 1/2 inch will work, but I recommend this one too for natural hair because it didn't make my hair frizzy like some other hot tools to do. Be sure if this video helped you out to give me a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button below for my next video. If you want to get notifications and you know see me again here on the YouTube, you know, go ahead subscribe and I'll be back in y'all feed soon. So please stay tuned for more videos and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all. Sorry y'all, my phone ringing. Decline. I kind of like this look. Hey, hey. I'm looking like Diana Ross.